ready to get down there?
Really? It's pitch black. We need a light.
Ah, fuck it. I'll go first.
No! You okay?
Yeah. We need a light, man. You can find some light.
Yeah.
Can't see shit down here. Can I get some light over here? How the hell did you end up there?
I just slid down a bit to the left.
What? It was all dark.
That's why we needed some light, Leo.
Smart ass, huh?
I'm concerned you think lighting up a dark area is smart. Hey, the water's being drained. See if you can find an opening.
Oh, god damn it. This water smells like shit. Ah!
Well, it is shit.
Are you being funny now?
No, I'm just stating facts. You're wading in actual shit.
Fuck you, man! Hey, Vincent,
another valve over here,
I need
Leo.
some light over here as well.
Looks like that one stopped the water flow.
Shit! Shit. This should work.
Get over here. Let's bust this up.
Let's just hope there are no rats down here.
Probably is.
Yeah, like I said, let's hope there aren't.
You're not scared of rats, are you?
Me? I'm not scared. It's just that, you know, whatever. They're disgusting.
Right.
Shit. Guard, up there. This way. Oh, fuck. It's too high, man. And nothing to climb on either.
Here, give me your arm.
What for?
Guess I've got an idea. Turn your back against mine.
Are you kidding me?
Just remember to push against my back.
It's never gonna work.
Relax.
It's too high, man.
I used to do this as a kid all the time.
You're nuts. Easy now. It'll be much quicker if we go together at the same time.
Hey, take it easy, man.
Okay, all right, all right. Whoa, slow down!
Okay.
Easy, man.
All right.
At last.
Afraid of heights?
Something like that. Are you fucking serious?
A wrench would be nice.
There's only one place you can get that, the workshop.
Yeah.
Damn it. I guess it's the same way down, right?
Yeah.
No childhood tricks up your sleeve?
Afraid not.
Shit. Man, this thing spins fast.
I could do this all day. Don't I recognize you from somewhere?
I don't know. Maybe.
You used to work at the laundry room, didn't you?
Yeah, sure. I got transferred.
Ah, so that's where I know you from.
Probably. Why are you asking?
I'm just asking. So, what is it that you do here in the workshop?
Well, we mostly repair stuff.
Everything in the prison gets repaired here?
Everything that we can fit through that metal detector over there.
That's not much.
That is what it is.
I guess it is. Well, you're doing a fine job here, I see.
Thanks. We done here?
Pretty hard to get any work done without it.
And you shouldn't have lost it.
I told you I didn't lose it. I gave it back to you yesterday.
Well, you better hope you're right, because I can't find it here.
Hey.
Hey. What do you want?
What do I want?
Yeah, what do you want?
I just have a quick question for you. What day is it?
It's Monday?
No. Date. I need to know the date.
Fuck if I know, man. You lose track of that shit here.
A drill buzzer. Nice.
Careful. Looks like that could take your finger off.
Could? It already has.
Is that what happened to your hand there?
Yeah, but I got lucky. Last week, some guy almost lost his whole arm.
Whoa. Be careful then.
Yep.
What are you upset for?
That's that fool.
Hey, I heard that. You! Don't move! Hey, what are you up to?
Damn.
What are you upset for?
That's that fool.
Hey, I heard that. Watch your mouth then, mate.
Yeah, whatever. Just give me what I need. Damn!
Let me help. Hey, guard. Got a minute?
Can't you see I'm busy? Come back later.
Good luck with that. At this pace, I'll get my hammer back next week.
Better keep my fingers
I can still hear you.
Now that's what I call a piece of machinery.
Quiet and try to concentrate.
It's been a long time.
Sorry, man. Didn't mean to mess with your masterpiece.
Please, dude. Quiet.
Hey, is this the place to get tools?
Yeah, sure.
Looks like there's something behind that bin. This could be useful. There we go. That should
shut off the metal detector. That's gonna be a problem.
You know the drill. All right.
Hey.
All right.
Hey, boys, there's a problem.
What is it?
Let me show you. Come on. Let me show you. It's over here.
What's going on?
There's something going on downstairs. I think it's a fight.
Let's go.
All right, step aside. Let's go.
Shake down! Up against the bars, inmate! Did you hear me? I said up against the bars!
Not here. Should hide it somewhere else.
All right, arms up. Back up against the bars. Sir, it's clean.
Hey, baby. You good?
God, I missed you.
I miss you too.
Linda, I got a plan to get out of here.
Good. What can I do?
Don't worry. I got someone helping me in here.
Who's that?
His name is Vincent. Seems legit.
Are you sure? I mean, we both thought we could trust Harvey.
But this guy wants to take him down as much as I do.
What? Why?
I don't know yet, but I'll find out.
Okay.
So, how's Alex?
Well, it's been 6 months. He misses his father.
Shit. I miss him, Linda. Has he found out?
No, listen. It's fine. He still thinks you're in Italy helping your uncle.
Good, good. Any trouble from Harvey?
Don't worry about that. He won't find us.
And you're sure?
Yeah, I got us a new place. We should be safe for now.
That son of a bitch.
Baby, listen. We'll get through this. We just have to stay
Hey,
focused.
why are you still waiting? Nobody's coming for you.
Maybe she just missed her bus. I'll wait some more.
No more visitors are coming in today. You want to make a phone call, or you want to go back to your cell?
I'd like to make a phone call, sir.
Let's go.
Yeah?
Carol, why aren't you here?
Because I'm at home, expecting our baby.
Please, we've talked about this.
No, you've talked about this. I didn't have a say at all. You're in prison.
I'm gonna be out soon.
Listen to yourself, Vincent. This isn't who you are. Is this how you want your future child to remember you?
No, but I need to take care of the Harvey situation. Carol, you know that he killed Gary. He was my family, my own brother.
I know you miss him, but you can't bring him back. You're just gonna get yourself killed.
Please, you know I have to do this.
I can't believe you, Vincent.
Hello? Hello?
you hear about the weather? There's a storm coming.
I did.
It's our window. We'll leave tonight.
I'm ready. You got the wrench?
Yeah.
Just don't drop it, okay?
Are you kidding me? You think I'll do this climb again?
Let's hope we don't have to.
There's nothing to hope for. It ain't happening. I'm out of this shithole soon.
It's not over until the fat lady sings.
Oh, she's gonna sing. Trust me.
I sure hope so.
Fixed?
Nah, not yet. Read him and weep. Ah, you cheated.
Hey, Leo, get over here.
How come you always...
Hey, Leo, get over here.
Shit. Damn. We gotta bust this door open. Okay, on three. 1, 2...
Wait. Let's time it with the thunder.
Okay, sure.
What was that?
That was nothing.
Ah, shit. Let's try again.
Betty okay? She's fine.
Just a couple of more like that.
Did you get your car fixed?
Nah, not yet.
Hey, Vincent. Yeah. See that tower?
Yeah.
That's where we're heading.
All right. Hey, watch out.
Shit. Over there, through the warden's office.
Don't move! On the ground, now! Stay there!
Come on, man. Was that really necessary? There you go, buddy. Enjoy your freedom. I've never been to Asia. Maybe I'll go there once this is all over. Shit. Careful.
Did you see that Carson show last night?
Nah. Any good?
Great.
Who was on it?
Who?
Who were the guests?
I can't remember. I must be getting old.
You're just drinking.
So what the hell were we talking about?
Carson.
Right. Shit.
I already told you. No.
Well, you should have. It was great.
What the hell are you talking about? You're all mixed up.
Get off me!
Don't move a muscle, prisoner!
So what the hell are we talking about?
Carson.
Right. Shit?
I already told you. No.
Well, you should have.
There's the tower. Watch out for the light. Shit. I need to get out of this. We can use that wire. We just need something to slide down with.
Damn, that's pretty high. Go, go, go! The fuckers are shooting to kill! Hey, I've been meaning to ask you something.
What's that?
Back in the prison, when we climbed that shaft, you know, the back-to-back thing?
Yeah? What about it?
Did you really do that when you were a kid?
No.
What?
I saw it in a comic book once, when I was a kid.
Tell me you're joking.
No. I'm just glad it worked.
Oh my God. I can't fucking believe you talked me into it.
Me neither.
Here. Come on. There.
All right.
Shit. The chopper?
Yeah. Seems like we really pissed them off. They're using everything they've got.
We have to be careful. I'm not going back in. Come on. Oh, shit. Cops everywhere. We gotta watch out.
Yeah.
I don't think they'll see us in the bushes.
That went better than expected.
So there's 3 guys?
To get past.
No, 2.
Careful. Okay.
Damn. How many cops are out here?
No clue. Just keep your head low.
Let's just keep our cool and
We
they
got
won't
men
see us.
here, and here.
What about there?
No, I need you to get Johnson over there.
If I send Johnson, we're gonna need some more men.
I've requested backup from the sheriff.
All right, I'll send Johnson.
We'll have to cross that bridge.
No shit.
Sherlock.
What?
You could have said no shit, Sherlock.
No shit, Sherlock.
Good.
How long do you think we'll be out here?
However long it takes for us to catch the damn fugitives, I guess.
They're probably hiding under a rock somewhere anyway.
And then we'll catch them in the morning. They won't go far.
I'm gonna rough them up if we catch them, forcing us to be out here in a damn storm.
Bridge is coming up. I hope we can get across.
Yeah, man, we got this.
God damn it. Hey, let's go that way. We should be able to sneak under the bridge.
What? No, it's way too high. Too risky. I say we take that guy out. Take his car, cross the bridge.
What are you, crazy?
Don't like heights, man, okay? I'm telling you, this is gonna work. Just jump in the back and stay low.
I'll give you credit when we cross the bridge.
Come on, move already. Stay cool. Just stay on course. You got this.
Right.
You got this.
Watch out for that car.
Damn it.
Got any other bright ideas?
Relax, I got this. Concentrate on staying out of sight.
I have a bad feeling about this. He's too close.
Just keep your head down and relax.
Fine. Don't do anything stupid.
Who's that? Who's in that car, huh?
Over there!
Get away! Out of the way! Hold on, Vincent! Oh, Run! Fucking dogs! Are you serious? They're too fast, man! Just keep running! Oh, trust me, I'm not stopping. That's for sure. God damn it, they're catching up on us! Oh, shit! I think I see a cliff up ahead. Hurry up! I hate dogs! I hate fucking dogs! You fucking dogs! I hate you! Let me go! Shit!
Come on, Leo!
Shit! Damn it! Almost had it.
جميلة بس هذه خطرة وكبيرة جدا.
حلوة كثير يا صاحبي.
شنو تعتقد انت مهتم بهذا الشيء وشنو اقول لك؟
غالية كثير.
اني اتفق معك.
وراها شيء خطر.
Hey, just tell him this is the deal. You either take it or don't. Got it?
يا اخي هذا ما يقبل ينزل السعر. انت لو تشتري لو لا.
شيء غير معقول. احنا نتحمل الخطر. هذا لازم ينزل السعر.
He says no. It's too much risk. The price must come down.
That's not gonna happen.
But listen.
It's not gonna happen.
Harvey, I need to talk to you.
Wait. You got it?
It's important. You need to hear this.
Look, take the deal or stop wasting my time. All right? Yeah. What's up?
Leo busted out of prison.
What?
I just got the call.
Isn't he supposed to be dead?
Our guy fucked up, got himself killed by the guards.
Good for nothing, piece of shit.
Sorry, boss.
Look, Sean, you need to find him, okay?
Yeah, but I'm not sure the men we have right now are
Not my problem. You just need to find him. You got it? I don't give a fuck how, just make it happen.
Yes, boss.
So you decided?
Yes. Price down or no deal.
Okay, no deal.
Damn. I'm hungry.
Me too.
I even missed that shitty food we got back in the joint.
I wouldn't say I miss it, but I definitely eat it.
Yep.
Anyway, let's head on. We should find something on the way.
Man, I'd die for a burger.
Well, I'll let you know if I find a burger joint.
Yeah, you do that.
Leo, help. You got it? Yeah, I got it.
Wait. Leo, there's a camp down there.
Yeah, but it looks empty.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Let's check it out. Maybe there's something to eat there.
All right.
You ever go camping, Vincent?
A few times, when I was a kid.
With the old man?
Nah, my uncle, actually.
And you liked it?
Yeah.
Who wants to sleep outside on the cold, hard ground when you got a perfectly good bed at home?
Beach sleeping in a 9x5 room with bars, though.
Well, you got that right. But seriously, though, why risk it?
Risk what?
Wild animals, bugs, no civilization, no toilet paper.
Fresh air, no one bugging you, cooking over a fire. It ain't all bad.
Maybe not.
But still, no toilets? Well, that's the charm with it. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. Should be able to make a spear with this knife. Just a little more. Almost there. Damn it! Not bad.
I'm a natural, baby.
I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. I'm gonna need some more wood for the fire. Should be able to find some wood over there. This should be enough wood. I should be able to find some wood over there.
That tasted like shit, man.
Well, you know, it is what it is.
Yeah? And my fucking feet hurt. What about yours?
I'm good.
So you're a tough guy, huh?
Well, it's not like we have much of a choice here.
Yeah. By the way, what are you in for?
Something I didn't do.
So you're innocent, huh? Well, aren't we all? I'm innocent too, you know.
Yeah, sure you are.
What about family? You got any?
Yeah. A wife. I hope. You?
Me too. And a kid. Alex. Fucking miss him, man.
Yeah, I hear you.
That piece of shit Harvey's gonna get what he deserves, let me tell you that.
So, let's go after him. Together.
Look, Vincent, I need to know what your story with Harvey is. Okay?
All right. I was a regular guy with a boring bank job. One day my brother brings in a new client, Harvey.
Let me guess. Money laundering.
Yeah. Money was easy, but Harvey just kept coming in with more and more cash, and I couldn't handle it. It was too risky, so I told him I wanted out. He killed my brother as a warning. After that, I lost it. I planned on killing him, but the son of a bitch pinned it all on me. I was convicted for the murder of my own brother.
Wow. That's fucking rough, man.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So, what's your story with Harvey?
You fucked me over, that's for sure. Maybe we're gonna... Wait, you hear that?
Oh, shit. They're closing in. We gotta move.
Ah, my fucking feet.
Just suck it up.
Don't worry about it, I got it, okay? So, you used to work in a bank, huh? Figures.
What are you implying?
Well, how should I put it? You're kinda uptight.
I'd rather be uptight than a loose cannon.
Thanks for the compliment.
You're welcome.
You know what?
What?
You're actually the first guy who worked in a bank that I've talked to without a gun in my hand.
Would you look at that? You're making progress, Leo. There's a house over there. Let's check it out.
Prison escape 2 nights ago. The fugitives are still at large and considered highly dangerous. The state police put out a warning today, urging every law-abiding citizen within a 50-mile radius of the prison.
Don't you worry, honey. Those two fools come around here, they'll get a taste of old Betsy.
Hey, I say we take them out.
Are you crazy? It's an old couple. We can't do that.
I don't mean it like that, man. I mean, we tied them up or something. We really need to change clothes. We can't walk around like this.
I don't like it. It's better to get them out of the house.
What you have in mind?
See that barn over there?
Yeah?
We release the horses.
Release the horses? How's that gonna help?
Trust me. They'll be forced to go get them back.
I don't know, man. Sure, whatever, man. Let's try it.
Okay, come on. Crap. It's locked.
Over here. How do you know they got horses in there?
It's a horse barn, Leo. What else should they have?
But still, you sound so sure. I mean, it could also be empty. You hear that?
Yeah, I do. We can crawl through that barn hatch. Let's find something to climb up there. Now we just need to let the horses out. Hey, Leo. This might make enough noise to scare the horse. We should probably release the horses first. We should probably release the horses first.
There are the horses. I'm not sure about this, but let's release them.
Here you go, buddy. Let's release the others, too.
Of course. Freedom for all, right?
Can't argue with that. Now we just need to scare him out of here.
What's wrong with this lamp?
Hey, move it.
Come on, you piece of shit, lamp.
Free to leave now.
Ah, it's locked. I wonder if I can scare a horse.
Get over here. It's too heavy to push along. Some assistance would be nice.
The horses are escaping, honey.
Oh, dear. Didn't we lock the barn?
Of course I did. Come on, let's go.
See? I told you.
Yeah. Let's just hope these horses keep running.
They will.
Yeah. Still got the looks.
Hello? Hello? Vincent, is that
Hey,
you?
Vincent, let's change clothes.
Finally, some fresh water.
Yeah, this will do. And the shotgun might come in handy.
I've always found these kind of soothing.
I always wanted to learn how to sew. My wife always says that I don't look good
If
at
only the cell beds were this comfortable.
I look like a hillbilly.
I've never really been a hat man. Huh. Looks better than expected. Never thought a couch could feel this good. This looks pretty interesting.
Damn it! Fuck. Oh! Damn it! Fuck.
Smells amazing. Yeah, smells pretty damn good.
Vincent, come over here and help me out. Hey, Vincent, get over here. I need some help. Vincent, come over here and help me out. Hey, Vincent, get over here. I need some help. Oh, my God, it's a piece of junk.
It's not that bad.
What do you mean it's not that bad? Hey, it's even missing a wheel.
Nah, I'm sure there's a spare around here somewhere.
I don't know, man.
It's not like we have a choice. Sherby's running on foot. Let's fix it up and we'll be out of here in no time.
All right, fine. Looks like the car is missing a tire. Let's find something to lift the car.
Let's look around and see what we can find.
All right, tire. Here I come to school you.
This could probably lift the car.
Let's find
Ready,
something
Leo?
to lift the car. Looks like the car is missing a tire.
We'll need a new tire. Let's look
Looks
around
like
and
the
see what we
battery
can
is out of
find.
juice. Hey, Vincent. I see a tire over there. Let's find a way to get up there.
All right, now it's attached. We just need to find a lug wrench to fasten it. The battery seems dead.
All right, let's lift this thing and remove the support.
It's stuck. I guess we need to lift up the car before removing this.
Great. The car has 4 wheels now. That's a good start.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What happened? Did you let go?
I didn't let it go. Did you let it go?
No, I didn't. Let's go get it.
Let's chop some wood.
A gas canister. I bet it still has some gas.
Jumper cables. Perfect. Let's pop the hood and try them. Jumper cables. Perfect. Let's pop the hood and try them. It's connected. Try to start the car now.
It's filled up with gas. Wonder if it will start.
Oh, shit. It actually worked, this piece of junk.
Yeah, I told you so.
You did, but still, I was in doubt.
Sometimes you just gotta have a little faith in things, Leo.
Faith, huh?
Yeah. Well, let's get out of here.
Yes? No, I don't know. It was a while ago. We need your help now, officer. Okay, hurry up, please. Absolutely. Thank you.
Are the police on their way yet?
Yes, they'll be here any minute.
Okay, I'll go take care of them.
No, just stay here.
It's all right. Just wait here. I'll be fine. Filthy scum!
Oh, shit! Take cover!
You're gonna pay for this!
Come on, let's go!
Yeah.
You drive!
Come on, come on!
Yeah. Come on! Go, 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 go!
Damn it!
Hey, Mason! We got cops coming! Step on it! Get this piece of shit going faster!
Just sit down, Leo! You're gonna fall off!
All right! Here we go!
Here they come! Hold on back there!
Just focus on driving, man! I'll keep them off our backs! Faster, faster!
Yeah.
Focus on driving, man! I'll keep them off our backs! I'm fine, keep going. I'm not giving it that easy. We got him now! All units to the south of the bridge!
Stop! You're under arrest!
Stay where you are!
Freeze!
You okay?
Stop! Yeah! Let's go! Come on! Get those bastards! Come on! Go! Vincent, run! We can't stay here! Get those bastards!
More of them! Get to the boat over there!
Come on, go! Push! Push!
Where the hell does this river take us?
I have no idea, but the further away, the better.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
All right, start rowing. We need to get going.
Hey, Vincent.
Yeah?
I think I saw something in the water.
It's probably a shark, Leo.
What do you mean? There are no sharks in this water.
How do you know?
It's sweet water.
You're a clever guy, Leo.
But I really saw something, though. Probably fish.
Yeah, whatever. A fish.
Probably salmon.
You know what? It could have been a crocodile.
Seriously? I don't like crocodiles.
Well, watch out then.
Hey, Vincent.
Yeah?
You think there are any bears in these woods?
There are probably bears in these waters, Leo.
Ha! I can't believe that.
Looks like our peaceful boat ride is over. Some rough streams ahead.
the rock. Hold on.
Hey, watch out. Some rough streams up ahead.
Keep your shot bright.
Wouldn't it be faster if I just jumped in and swam?
Yeah, sure. You try that. I'll just stay in the boat.
I think we're through the worst of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
I think you spoke too soon, Leo. Look straight ahead.
Holy shit! Ah! Oh! See that?
Paddle to the left, left.
Right!
Paddle, damn it.
Waterfall!
We're not done yet.
Watch out for that rock! Watch out! The fuck? Vincent! Yeah, I'm coming! All right! Grab my hand! Yeah! Come on, grab it!
You okay?
I'm okay.
Let's get out of here.
All right.
What of you, huh?
Yeah. So? What happens now?
Look. I know what you're thinking. But going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know. But I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him. You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
Before I got busted, me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bank job?
No. You ever heard of a Black Orlov?
Are you serious? The diamond? How the hell did you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
Give me the case!
What the fuck are you doing?
Give me the fucking case, Leo! Hand it over, now! This is nothing personal, it's just business. Give me the briefcase.
Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by cops.
That's rough. I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. He's the one who's gonna be sorry. I'm making things right. For me. And for my family.
So do you know where Harvey is right now?
I know one of his guys, Ray. He'll know for sure.
So? What are we waiting for? Let's go after him.
You really want to take Harvey down, huh?
Like I said, with or without you, I'm going after him.
Okay.
All right. Where can we find this Ray guy?
Don't worry, he's gonna be easy to find. But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Of course.
Let's go.
Don't go too far, Alex.
Mom? Mom!
What is it, honey? What's wrong? Oh, shit. Alex? Alex?
Leo, can I ask you something personal?
Yeah, sure.
How do you and your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
We've always been together. You know, she knows me better than I know myself. I was 12 when we met at the orphanage.
Orphanage?
You could say that my parents didn't do their job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Don't be. I barely remember them. Besides, I was fortunate enough to have Linda. She was crazy. You know, we used to run away together. Steal ice cream, cigarettes, shit. It's always been us against the world. Still is. No matter what. That's just how it is.
Sounds great.
All right, keep an eye out for my family. It's a woman and a boy, about this size.
You don't know where they live?
They had to move while I was inside.
I see.
Let's just have a look around.
I'm sure we'll find them.
Yeah.
Life looks rough out of here.
You got that right.
Never actually set foot in a place like this before.
Oh, yeah? Mr. Fancy Pants with a college degree and a banking job?
Not like any of that helped. I'm here with you now.
Should be happy. I'm great to be around.
Keep telling yourself that. Anyway, let's find your family.